Downtime costs money. Smart maintenance turns it into an advantage. Shop Talks and Walks is a hands-on maintenance workshop built to help reduce downtime, led by the people who built the machines you rely on. This exclusive ConExpo workshop brings together maintenance experts from 8 industry-leading manufacturers in one place. Start the morning with coffee and breakfast while industry leaders break down how real-time data, fleet technology, and smarter systems help teams move from reactive repairs to planned, proactive maintenance. Then take it to the show floor for 3 hands-on sessions focused on digital tools, parts and service strategies, and overall fleet health, applied directly to real equipment. You'll walk away with proven ways to cut downtime, lower operating costs, improve safety, and get direct answers from the experts. If uptime matters to you, this workshop is built for maintenance pros, technicians, owner-operators, fleet managers, and anyone responsible for keeping machines moving. Add Shop Talks and Walks to your CONEXPO-CONAGG registration and learn how maintenance can work for your operation, not against it.